Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and we are at the end of October. Can you believe it, guys? We're at the end of October. So you know what that means? It's time to decorate for Christmas. I'm so excited. So I decided to look back at some old Christmas tree photos to see what styles I've done in the past, and my style has evolved so much, guys. So I thought I would share with you some of my past Christmas trees and some Christmas tree inspiration that I'm thinking about doing this year. So if you're looking for Christmas tree ideas, grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, sit back, enjoy the video, and I hope it inspires you and your Christmas decorating this season. guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video and you have enjoyed walking down memory lane with me as I look back on my previous Christmas tree decorating. I hope you got some ideas and it has inspired you for your Christmas tree decorating this year. As you could see, I have not always been a black and white girl. I did have some traditional colors in Christmases past, and my kids truly enjoyed that. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite style of Christmas tree. I would love to know. And let me know what you think about my Christmas inspiration for this year. I am truly going for, once again, a moody Christmas vibe. So I hope you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle My Style family. And I'll see you in the next one.